have the cutest, coziest little holiday combo for you today. So go ahead and tie on your hip scarf and follow along with me. I will have you dancing in no time. My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. I'm going to piece this combo together for you step by step, but if there's any moves that you're unfamiliar with, check the links in the description below where you can find full tutorials breaking them all down right here on my channel. Y'all, the song that we are going to dance this to is so cute, so make sure you stick to the end when we dance it with music. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Our combo starts with a figure 8 Maya. We're going to do a weighted figure 8 and an unweighted Maya. On the other side, weighted figure 8, unweighted Maya. So you're pushing your weight onto the right, arms will come up here. You'll take your weight briefly on the left to Maya, come back to your right. When we do it on the other side, left, up and over, and back. When we do the right, figure 8, Maya, bring it back to the right, and then we're gonna undulate top to bottom. So lift, roll down. Same thing on the left, figure 8, up and over, bring your weight back to the left, and undulate. So let's do that right and left a couple more times, just a little bit faster. 6, 7, 8. Figure 8, Maya, undulate, and hold on the left. Figure 8, Maya, undulate. One more time, each side. Figure 8, Maya, undulate, and hold on the left. Figure 8, Maya, undulate, and hold. All right, this next section we're doing inner hip rolls, vertical figure 8s that come up and in. And we're also going to do outer hip rolls, vertical figure 8s that go down and out. Feel free to lift the heels on all of these, but also use the obliques, use the knees to create a big, gooey, cozy movement, yeah? So once again, if we're going inner and inner and inner, let's switch to outer, outer and outer. Yes, the combo is going to go left, then right, switch, right, left, right. So again, we'll start on your left, left and right, right, left, right. Arms are dancer's choice. I will be bringing my arms up, here, and out, out, out. Nice and gooey. So arms are kind of clasped above the head, and you can make this really gooey. You can keep your heels off the ground, or if you prefer to put them on the ground, then you have to use your knees a little bit more. But we'll do 2 inner hip rolls. Arms come up, then out, out, out. Yeah, so you end here on your right. We are going to do a step forward with the left, cross with the right, turn around, and as you get to like the side wall, we're going to do a flyby hip circle, which means your hips are going to come out to the left, circle around, and come back up to standing so that you're presenting your left hip to the mirror. So once again, that turn, right crosses over the left, push the heel down, squeeze the thighs together, circle the hips behind you, keep the chest lifted, right, not here, keep the chest lifted, bring it around, and you're here with your left hip presented forward. So that second section is going inner and inner, then outer, 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 step, cross, turn, fly by, and present. How's it going? You are doing great so far. Let's put part 1 and part 2 together. I'll face the mirror. 6, 7, 8. Figure 8, Maya, undulation. Other side. Figure 8, Maya, undulation. Then we go inner hip roll, inner and inner, then outer, 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 step left, cross, turn, fly by, and present. Nicely done. All right, next section. This part is my favorite. So left hip is to the front. We're doing a series of hip drops with different leg accents. So we're going hip drop with a foot release, hip drop with a knee lift, hip drop with a foot release, hip drop, no hip drop, just a little brush behind you, right? So all of these are hip drops. Drop, drop, using the oblique, keeping that back knee soft, right? Keeping the pelvis long. So you're going drop, drop, release, drop, drop, knee, drop, drop, release, drop, brush. Yeah, it's a little bit like this. Let's do it slow. Drop and release, drop, knee, drop and release, drop, brush. One more time on this side. 7, 8, drop and release, drop, knee, drop and release, drop, brush. Now let's try it on the other side. Yeah, nice and slow. Setting it up here, make sure that back knee is soft, pelvis is engaged. Drop, drop, release, drop, knee. Drop, drop, release, drop, no drop on the brush. No drop on the brush. Again, 7, 8. Drop, drop, release, drop, drop, knee, drop and release, drop, brush. One more time, here we go. 7, 8. Drop, drop, release, drop and knee, drop, drop, release, and drop, brush. Yeah, feel free to take your time working on that. It's a little bit of a brain teaser. So let's move on. So that combo will happen on the right and on the left. If you recall, we finished our previous combo with the left hip forward. So we'll start on the left. So we're here, we're going drop, drop, release, drop, knee. I'm gonna add an arm here, drop, ha. Let's go ahead and wrap the arms when the foot comes behind us because it's super cute. We'll go from here to a crossing step, touch, touch, step, touch. And we're gonna do a shoulder shimmy on a chest circle. Chest circle direction is dancer's choice. I'm gonna go vertical counterclockwise. And perhaps I might even add a little plie too if it's feeling good. Yeah, then we're gonna push off of this right leg to stand on the left, set ourselves up to go on the other side. Drop, drop, release, drop, bend knee, drop, drop, release, drop, wrap the arms on the little kick. And then we're going to do the same thing with the step, touch, step, and from here we're going to do, I call it a Vogue box. It's like a little arm box where your arms are pulling in towards you and the wrists are bending to create a box as you do it. We're going to do this, bring the leg in, and pose. In that combo, there's a little bit of like pause, but it's not just you standing there doing nothing. It's like kind of pause with a little bit of a beat. So let me show you how it works. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go ahead and put that all together and then we're going to try it with the music. And if you are enjoying this tutorial, would you do me a favor and hit like and subscribe so that I can send you fabulous new belly dance tutorials every single week? And if you're looking for another fabulous way to stay warm this holiday season, check out my free shimmy mini class where I'm going to give you several fabulous tips to help your shimmies be more consistent, more delicious, and more gooey. You can get that for free now at sahirabellydances.com/shimmy tips. All right, let's put the whole thing together, starting with the right figure 8, 6, 7, 8, figure 8, Maya, undulation, and hold. Other side, figure 8, Maya, undulation, and hold. Inner hip roll left and right, outer hip roll right, left, right step forward, left, cross over, fly by hip circle, here we go. Drop, release, and drop a knee and drop, release, drop and brush, step, touch, shoulder shimmy with chest circle. Here we go. Drop, release, and drop a knee, drop, release. Here's your brush, step, touch, step, box, and pose. Oh my gosh, are you ready? Let's do it with music.
Nights are getting shorter now, hot chocolate fills the air and Christmas cheer does too. Picking out your Christmas tree so loudly, the joy this time it brings to you. Santa's coming to town. Nights are getting shorter now, hot chocolate fills the air and Christmas cheer does too. Picking out your Christmas tree so loudly, the joy this time it brings to you. Santa's
my goodness, that was so cute. I loved it. I loved it. Really nicely done. That was awesome. I hope you stay nice and cozy warm this holiday season and that you continue to dance your way through your days. May they be merry and bright. And when you're ready, join me for another dance tutorial and we'll continue to dance through the season together.